Hey, so you know that the day before yesterday, OpenAI declared that they will let us create a specific or purpose-specific version of ChatGPT. I was really excited about that. So today, I thought, why not try it? Let me try. First, it's signed in to the ChatGPT. If you look at the address, it's chatgpt.openai.com/gpts/discovery. Okay. This is the first time I'm trying. I don't know how the website will be responding. No idea at all. As you can see, it's a bad gateway. Means the okay. Now it looks like it will work. So what's written in here? GPT builder. Hi, I will help you to build a chat GPT. Okay. Let's give it a message. Let's check. Let's give it a name. Not my name. Uh, Smile. Description. Description is not something I'm worried about, but I will do something. I have another version of ChatGPT open in here. So let's try it. You use the ChatGPT itself to create a ChatGPT agent. So let's say, hey, we'll use a good effort of prompt engineering. So we copy the description, but it has to be 300 volt. Okay. Instructions. Let's put the instructions. Make description 300 character. Okay. Conversation starter. Okay, we understand now that there are certain limitations, so let's start. Description should be let's start. The second one, third one, that's a good one actually. Fourth one, and fifth one. Let's edit this portion. It's done. Now we upload a couple of files to show like what it could be. It's a samples, kind of a samples, you can say. Plain jokes probably. Upload more file. Jokes one. It's a sample. It will be able to do the web browsing, daily image generation at code integrator. The action. So if you want like to browse, okay, let's say Bing and it jokes. Jokes. Probably it will be using this browser or Google. Let's use Google. Okay, okay, does it work? No, it's API portion, so it doesn't work. Leave it, no problem. We have web browsing in here, so no problem. Now, as we have these, let's try. Let's save it, public. So we have our smile. Let's ask it. Right. Let's see what does it say. That's not bad. Politics. That's fun. So let's go back to our smile and add a probably cover photo. Here's Danny. Okay. So we are using Del E to generate a profile picture. That's fine. That's fine. It's not bad. It's good. And it's automatically updating. That's awesome. So now we have our agent. Let's ask, what to flirt with it? This is not that much funny. Let's see. Jokes. This is what I was looking for. It's so serious. Smart. It's taking some time. Could be the website itself. It's probably hanged. Okay, it looks like the website is busy. Or it's not that much. That's not bad actually. Hickory dickory dock. Okay, that's interesting. Hmm. Okay, that's the way you build it. That's all. And you can go back and always edit your ChatGPT or GPT as you want. Thank you.